Hey folks, Jim Dufault here for NuCalgon. Very briefly in this micro training class, I want to take you through one of our great products, AC Renew, that we offer out into the HVAC market. But what is AC Renew? So as the name implies, it's going to help renew older and struggling air conditioning systems. But the other thing is this can be introduced into a brand new air conditioning system as well to help extend its life and help it run at peak efficiency. So it is a synthetic oil that gets added into the air conditioning system. Now this is an OEM approved product. It lowers energy usage and quiets a noisy system. So reducing that energy usage, this is going to reduce that amperage draw. Now I've had contractors tell me personally at trade shows that when they've put this in a system, and that these are systems that when the air conditioning unit kicks on, the lights in the house dim. And this has helped alleviate that. You know, the lights don't dim anymore. The system runs quieter. It's not as loud, not as rattly, and it's going to help save that homeowner in their energy costs because the unit is running better, running more efficiently. It's well lubricated, so it's going to help with that as well. Improves cooling performance and restores heat transfer. Now, what this does is, so you have to look at a compressor in an air conditioning system, and that has oil on the inside of it, and of course you're going to get oil migration through the refrigerant lines over time. That oil is going to build up inside valves, so your TEVs, TXVs, your expansion valves, your reversing valve, and the lines themselves are going to begin to coat with that oil. Kind of builds up this kind of sludge, on the inside of the lines, and as that builds up over time, you get restriction in the flow of refrigerant through the system. Now, once that happens, the system's not operating at peak efficiency. It's not able to get that heat transfer, pulling heat out of the house. It's also going to really slow down the refrigerant running through the system. Eventually, you're setting yourself up for failure. And what AC Renew does is it goes in and it helps break apart those oil deposits and that sludge that's on the inside of not only the valves, but on the lines themselves, frees that oil up, gets it recirculating back through to the compressor, frees those lines up, but it also coats the lines and keeps oil from depositing on those lines in the future as well. So again, aids with sticking valves, and it extends the life of the equipment. 1 4-ounce bottle again will handle up to a 5-ton system. As you can see, I've got it in liquid form here. Again, in the Connect Injector type setup, I've got it here, and of course we also do our AC Restart and Acid Scavenger, not only in liquid but in the Connect Injector setup as well. You will need the Connect Injector tool, which is nothing more than this hose with a valve. Got it in the packaging over here, and so you've got several options on how to get this into the system. Of course, we also make our universal injector tool, which is here. This is a really nice product because it already comes with the hose and the valve on it, and you just simply pour the entire 4-ounce bottle into this, and then you can inject it into the system, and then you can use it again, repeatedly. And of course, you can also break this down into 1 ounce, 2 ounce, 3 ounce, or 4 ounce type applications, depending on what you're injecting into the system. And the other nice thing with this is not only is this for the liquids, but if you are only able to find the direct inject system, you can go ahead and just take this bottom plate off. And once you've detached that with the little valve, it just has a plate on it that will allow you to attach the Connect Injector tool onto the top of that. So I know that was kind of a whirlwind and pretty quick, but AC Renew, this is an incredible product that you should have not only on your shelf if you're a wholesaler, but if you're a contractor. This is just tremendous. This is really going to help the homeowner out. Even with brand new systems, if you're installing a brand new system, adding this into it is just going to help the longevity of that system. It's going to make sure that valves aren't getting sticky, the lines aren't getting bogged down with sludge and things like that on the inside. So just a great product, AC Renew, offered into the HVAC market by NuCalgon. Of course, as always, if you want to reach out to us, we've got some great cut sheets that we can get into your hands on the product. And of course, if you'd like to get a NuCalgon catalog, would like to get that into your hands as well. And of course, you can reach us anytime at info@nucalgon.com. And of course, you can find out more about our products, our Acid Scavenger, AC Restart, and more about AC Renew and all the lineup of NuCalgon products at www.nucalgon.com. All right, that's it for me. I'm Jim Dufault. Thanks for watching.